Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the mid pipe section, install this one instead, so stay tuned.
Hang up in Bars, Jackie auf Weiß, Stress auf dem Kiez. Autos getuned, Dollars im Kreis, Kette aktiv.
What's up guys, this is the package and this is the mid pipe exhaust. And this application applies only for Yamaha R1 2009 till 2014 I guess. Yeah, that's the right one. So there is a screw up here, and when you unscrew this one there is also another one. This is the sensor, by the way, be careful with that one. This sensor has also small wires, really small ones, so be careful with that one to not destroy them. And it's also necessary to take this foot peg off, and the screws of course. By the way, you don't need to take all the screws off like this too, for example. As you can see, it's pretty easy to take it off. And this is the ugly section, the mid pipe section. Look how big it is. By the way, it's really heavy. And this is the new piece which we're going to install. Well, this is the final result and I love it.
Tomorrow.